argon arc welding and laser cutting of large diameter stainless steel pipe making machine, efficient welding and precision cutting. In this video, we will take you to understand the technology and efficient production process of this large diameter stainless steel pipe making machine. Our equipment uses 22kW plus 22kW argon arc welding technology. Ensure high welding quality. The weld is flat and smooth, without pores or slag inclusions. At the same time, equipped with advanced laser cutting equipment, achieve high precision and high efficiency cutting.